This video will show you how to incorporate elements from part 1 and part 2 in order to create a cohesive table that displays grade averages from each assignment and calculates them to a final grade. Following procedures from part 1, create a table called overall grade with each category as a column, percent, weight, and weighted grade as a column. Once you have done this, begin to fill the cells. You want to use equal sign and reference the ending total of your point. For the first table would be B13 divided by the ending total of your out of column, which would be C13. Continue doing this for each category according to the correct cell reference from each table. In order to fill out the weight column, you will have to refer back to your syllabus and see how much each category is weighted towards your total grade point average, and then fill in accordingly. When filling out the weighted grade column, you want to reference your percent and your weight for each category. So for labs, your weighted grade in I3 would be equal sign G3 times H4, which would give you 0 at the moment. Continue doing this, incrementing your cell references as appropriate to each category. Then you want to create a final grade row at the bottom of your table. So go to F9 and type final grade. Then in I9, you want to use the sum function to calculate the total of your weighted grades. So in I9, type equal sign, sum, and then highlight from I3 until I8. This will give you your final grade as a number. However, there is a way to use this number to calculate your standard letter grade. To do so, we will need to create another table called grading scale. After you have finished filling out the table, go back and create borders around it. You will notice that the color has changed, and I will show you how to do this with the next table. Go down a couple cells and type grading scale. Under grading scale, you want to type your appropriate grading scale according to your syllabus. We're going to use 90 to 100, 80 to 89.9, 70 to 79.9, and 60 to 69.9, and 59 and below. In order to get the less than or equal to sign, go into the top bar and look in the symbols section. Click on symbols and search for the sign that you need. Click on it and press insert. Next, just fill in the correct letter grade beside each cell accordingly, and then highlight and create a table. When creating this table, go to the borders icon and scroll all the way down until you get to more borders. Here you want to click on the outside and the inside, and then go to colors and create whatever custom color you want. You'll see that this one is a little light, so we're going to try for something darker, and then we want to darken the line as well, and then press OK. We're going to go back up until the overall grade table and widen the final grade category. So highlight the whole final grade row and the row underneath it, and then press merge and center. Once you do so, if you want to lift it up a little bit, you can do so in the alignment category. And then in cell I-10, we're going to create an if statement. The if statement is formatted using cell references. So it will be equals the if function, parentheses, I9 is greater than or equal to 90, comma, then quotation marks A, which will write out an A in this cell. And you want to do so accordingly for the rest of the grading scale. Now you have completed the goal. Now you have a completed Excel worksheet that will calculate your final grade. To see your grade changes, you can go back and insert your points that you received on exams, or you can try and estimate what grades you need to receive a certain grade in the class. Here are just examples of such. After you finish working, you want to be sure to go back and save your worksheet so that you do not lose it. Thanks for watching.